If you don't want to take 30 years to pay off your loan, there's a number of strategies you can implement, very simple strategies. Hi, this is Daniel Eigenman from the Finance Broker Forum, and today I want to talk to you about one of those strategies. It is a very simple strategy to apply, but what I see when I talk to clients is that they understand the concept, but it's not always implemented in the right way. It's, one of the reasons is because the banks will not tell you the entire truth. So today I want to talk to you about making payments more often, and I want to talk about fortnightly repayments and how it will save you a lot of time and a lot of interest if you do it right compared to monthly repayments. So what I've done, I've put together, I need quite a few numbers, but I just really want to show you what the benefits are of using the right fortnightly repayments. Let's take an example of a $400,000 home loan at 4% over 30 years. Normal repayments on a monthly basis would be $1,910. Now, let's talk about fortnightly repayments. Different banks will calculate fortnightly repayments differently. For example, some banks will calculate the fortnightly repayments by dividing the annual repayment by 26 fortnights. Others will calculate the fortnightly repayments by dividing the monthly amount divided by 2. So that's the difference here, you see. If your bank calculates the fortnightly repayments as year divided by 26, your repayments would be $881. If your bank, however, calculates your fortnightly repayments by dividing the monthly repayment by 2, your repayments would be $955. Admittedly, a little bit more, but you will see in max, that's where all the difference is made. Let's have a look at how much interest you would pay over the term of your loan. If you only paid monthly, the normal $1,910 over 30 years, you would pay a total of $287,478. Now, if your bank calculates fortnightly repayments by simply dividing the year by 26, the total amount of interest that you would pay is $287 and $159. You see, there's barely a difference. So this is why you need to be very, very careful. Yes, fortnightly repayments will save you money and time, but only if it's done correctly. By that I mean only if your bank calculates the repayments by dividing the month by 2. See, in this case, $955 is the fortnightly repayments, and your total interest over the term of the loan is $242,371. You are saving yourself $45,107 just by paying fortnightly and by having fortnightly repayments calculated a month divided by 2. Now, in terms of term, so that's how much you would save on your interest. Let's have a look at how much time you would save. Monthly repayments take you 30 years. That's the term of the loan. If you were to use fortnightly repayments as the year divided by 26, no difference. All right? So just by changing over to fortnightly doesn't mean you're going to save money or time. You got to do it right. The only way to do it right, as I've been saying, is calculating your repayments, taking the monthly repayment divided by 2. Then the term would be 25 years and 11 months. In other words, you're saving yourself 4 years and 1 month. And that's where you can save yourself a lot of money and a lot of time. Now, what happens if your bank calculates the fortnightly repayments by dividing the year by 26? What can you do? Well, what you do, you call the bank and you say, listen, I want to make my fortnightly repayments equal the months divided by 2. So you can choose how much to pay. Don't let the bank dictate what your repayments are, all right? So really, the reason for my videos is really to help you get in control of your finances, to help you pay your home loan a lot faster, all right? And why is it that you save so much interest and so much time by paying $955 per fortnight as opposed to $881 or $1,910 per month? It's very simple. If you look at the amount of money you pay every year on a monthly basis, is $1,910 per month times 12 months. It's $22,916. Now, if you take your $955, we're taking it from here, and you multiply by 26 fortnights, you actually end up paying $24,826 per year. The difference between the two is $1,910. And you can see that's the same as one extra monthly payments. And this is why you are saving yourself $45,000 in interest. And this is why you're paying your loan 4 years and 1 month earlier. So really, what can you do? Call your bank, ask them to change. If you are paying monthly, ask them to change over to fortnightly. When you change over to fortnightly, make sure you check with the bank how they calculate their fortnightly repayments. If they happen to do it this way, the year divided by 26, tell them that you want it to be the month divided by 2. But remember, you have to tell them. Okay? Now, how long do you do that? As long as you can. Now is a great time to do it because rates are really low and you should be able to afford a slightly higher repayments. But remember, by doing this simple thing, you're saving yourself $45,000 and 4 years and 1 month in repayments. Okay? So make sure you check your home loan either today or tomorrow. Talk to the bank. Make sure you beat the bank at their own game. This is really what I'm all about. My job is to help you, one, select the right loan, to help you pay it off as quickly as you can. Next week, I will be talking about another strategy to help you pay your home loan faster and save on interest. We're talking about years and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And by combining these two strategies, you'll save even more. So if you want to pay your home loan faster, now stay tuned. I'll see you next week. See you. Bye.